This may go good, this may go bad. Art-teck Cessna, 1 meter. It's kind of weird because it does not have a steerable nose wheel. The battery I brought is the wrong battery, and it doesn't fit too well, so I had tape over the door to hold it up. So this could be weird, but we're going to try it. Barely any wind to speak of today, so we're going to throw this thing up in there, see what happens. Might go, might not, don't know. Oh, look at that. It's flying. Needs a whole heck of a lot of trim. Wow. Yeah, it's flying all right, actually. Landing's going to be the interesting part. The battery's hanging out the bottom. I wasn't even sure it would take off on this grass. Just cruising a half throttle right now. Not going to do anything stupid this time because I'm scared the battery's going to fall out the bottom. Got some duct tape holding it on. Yeah, maybe that's the rudder. Oh no. Flies nice. Still climbing though. There we go, she's nice and straight now. Yeah, kind of a loop. I don't know what you call that. It's like a quarter of a loop. There's the truck. I think this is my first Cessna. Huh, how about that? Never thought of that. Flying nice though. Very responsive. Should you do a roll? Oh, hell yeah. Let's get that way. And no snaps though. That would fire the battery out. Goes good that way. Goes alright that way. Yeah, no, it's got a 1300 battery, but it's an Art-teck battery, and the battery it came with, like the guy I got this off of said he never flew it. I believe him. It's another one of those ones that sat and the glue's dried out because all the servos that were in it were just falling out. I'm surprised it doesn't have a steerable nose wheel though. That's weird. I might see if I can make it a steerable nose wheel though. It's nice slow flyer, that's for sure. Nice low pass. It's quiet. Yeah, I'm thinking I might go home and get some more planes to come back because I think it's going to be shitty after this for a while, and like there's no wind today. Might as well take advantage of it. Like, I didn't bring any of the fast planes, but the Wildcat though. So we flew the Pioneer, tried to fly the Hedron, but for some reason one of the servos fell out of the wing, and I don't have any glue with me. And I threw it, and the servo fell out, and it belly flopped and broke the propeller, and I don't have a propeller with me. I shoot for vertical. Oh, not much. High speed pass. That's full. Oh, look at that. Perfect wing over. Oh, I shouldn't have did that. That was kind of dumb, seeing the batteries just hanging out the bottom. Look, it just mushed into that. Oh, long grass. Ah, I thought it was on this side of the long grass. I'll have to do that again, because that was wrong. Probably got plenty enough battery to go up, do another loop. But not steerable wheels wheel. That's weird. Look, oh, you can see the battery taped in. It works. Got to fly it. It's all good. Find a nice smooth spot. My smooth spot's up there between two rocks. Driving the truck over this, every time I come in, it's flattened it out. Got a lot of it flattened out, but we found a hole. We found a hole. Try that again. No, ain't happening. All right, not gonna bore you with the walk. All right, that was Art-teck Cessna, first flight. All right, ciao for now.